if you don't know what you're doing like me, then first everything on the wall, and then you will figure out what you need and what you don't need. Like that one, this is that one, that one, 1, 2, 3, and that one is here, that one is here, one is here, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and line, that is the pipe. And like this you will figure out what you need and what you don't need. I will also make sketch of the plan here. It means if I weld something wrong, I have to start all over.
I'm not sure that's hot enough.
I making this for the first time, and like you see that here together I have around 15 minutes and was finished that, and that part here is that part here. Guys, just for now, that welding, this welding here with these pipes, I this making for first time. If was something wrong, then I will be expensive mistake and I will learn something new. I hope will be everything okay. Okay, water is open. Let's go see what's going on. Okay. Guys, how this looking that everything is okay. Actually water is at the moment only in one line. This is in cold line, but we have now inside air. Okay, water is here. Haha. Guys, we have water. Water is in kitchen. These two was for faucet. This is cold and this is hot water. And like how I see, I think everything will be okay. And guys, that here, that is shower. This is cold water and hot water. I wanna explain here around toilet, because a lot of you are worried why I turn like this, why I didn't turn my toilet like this. And it's very simple. If I turn toilet like this, I cannot close door here. It's for privacy issue. It's not problem for me. I can have open doors and I go on poo and no problem. But if you have visit, then you know, if somebody wanna go on toilet, then I believe if I have visit and I have toilet like this, people do not wanna go on toilet because they don't want, because it's not good. But I will turn toilet like this. That means here will be small door. I enter inside the shower and I go in toilet and will be closed. Nobody will see me. A lot of you are worried because was shower and my solar system so close, my electricity. But no worry. Here came wall. Shower will be completely closed from that room here. This is entry room and this is my bathroom. If you wanna support channel, I can make more videos like this. Link is in description. Guys, thank you very much for watching and I will catch you in next one. Yoo-hoo!